All right, I'm going to try to see if I can duplicate this noise that I hear when the wheel begins to slip on the passenger side. So this is a 2013 Outback Limited. It has just over 1,000 miles on it, 1199. So of course, a new car, you listen and you hear every little thing and you wonder what the heck that is. So we had some deep snow right here. It's kind of melted away. So we had about a little over a foot. So I got in a spot, my wheel spun, I heard this sound, I didn't know what it was, so I thought I'd post on here and see if any of you guys could tell me. Maybe you've heard it before. So as the wheel spins, and this is with traction control on, see if you can hear this. It's coming from right over here on the passenger side. And by the way, when I'm outside, I don't hear it. I only hear it when I'm inside the car. I had my daughter actually accelerate to see if I could hear it from the outside, and I cannot. So see if you can hear this. Now, you just heard it almost sounds like a little bit of a rubbing, scraping, kind of grinding sound. One more time. All right, now I'm going to try it with the traction control in the off position. So there we have traction control off. Once again, same thing. Let's see if we can hear it. You can still hear it. Obviously, it comes out of there a whole lot easier, and it's not really hanging up. So, don't know if that sounds normal. Don't know if it's ABS. Not sure if it's not sure what it is. So thought maybe I'd post it and maybe somebody else experienced it. Thanks, guys.